Remember when they hated, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't fall through. Now you hate yourself, you can't look at me, look at me. Yeah. You made me.
And what up, what up, what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? Today we're about to be going to pick up the carbon fiber body kit for the C6. The kit wasn't supposed to be delivered for another 2 days, but it is at the freight center, so instead of waiting for them, I'm about to just go pick it up 2 days early. Already called, they said they had it, it's ready to pick up, so we're about to go there and grab that, because if y'all know me, y'all know I am extremely impatient and I do not like waiting for stuff, so I'm gonna just go there and get it. We had the dude that came in to do the flooring. He came in today and they installed the backsplash, so that's up. I think he's gonna come back tomorrow to do all the caulking on it, and then the backsplash will be done, and we got to put up the little holders for the plugs and all the other stuff. But house still coming together. White Aaron just pulled up.
Yeah.
And
you get your phone?
I think it, yeah, I got it. I got the phone.
Get some body part accessories.
Wide body time.
Yeah. I only got one strap, but
Oh, we're forgot my stupid Rona mask. Don't want to get way out there. Next thing you know, I can't freaking get my kit. All right, now we're off. Almost there.
now find the driveway.
Turn left, then arrive at your destination.
Bus sales?
I don't think it's bus sales. It might be, oh, up the next one, next driveway. Oh,
Sorry.
YRC or whatever, the freight terminal company. This place. Man, this shit's all locked up, yo. Fucking get in here.
Arrived.
I don't know.
I feel like
easy.
I feel like I'm getting on like a air base or some shit.
Right? For real. Welcome to prison.
I think it's, we'll call it that way. All right, so just got that, and now we're just waiting for them to bring out the kit, and then we'll go to the shop and open this thing up and take a look and see what this thing looking like. Now we can just wait right here. I think they're gonna bring it down that little ramp. Man, I gotta poop.
Do they have a crapper?
I don't know. It looked like a break room in there.
Ask them to use the bathroom.
Nah, I'm gonna wait. I'm about to be farting on the ride home though. Windows up, baby.
Nope. I got all that window buttons over here.
Windows up.
I'm gonna put them all down and lock it.
Freeze.
And I gotta.
All right, so we just got this thing in here. One thing I am gonna be looking at when we get to the shop to open this up is to see what we looking like right here on the hood, because I know this part bolts up to the hood, and since it's ripped right here, I don't know if something happened and made it protrude through, but yeah, you can see it right there. So I'm definitely gonna be paying close attention to make sure the hood didn't get damaged right there, but we're gonna inspect this. So all right, so last stop before we head home, just pulling up to Alex over here at Sack Speed, and we're about to be picking up those Z06 brakes that I showed you on the last video. So we are going to be throwing those on the C6 also. The factory brakes on there aren't that great, and since we're adding bigger wheels, I do want to be able to stop better, so we're going to just upgrade to the C6 Z06 brakes. What's up, bruh? So what you boy? Damn, that was the damn. He hit me with one of these.
Oh, you got the tips?
Yeah, he grabbed the tips, man. He got the tips. So here we go, Z06 brakes.
Bro, I for real thought that the rear ones were your front ones. And then he brought out the bigger jammies. I was like,
Dude,
holy
they're huge.
Shit. Yeah.
Ooh, Corvette. All right, so now we're off to the shop. And when we get there, we're gonna be opening up this wide body so y'all can take a look at what's actually under there. Long ass drive back, got stuck in traffic, but we back at the shop. So we're gonna get to unboxing and opening and seeing what these things look like in here. This gotta be all 4 fenders. We'll roll this shit this way. Yep. So here's the hood. From the outside up here, looks aight, but then you come around here and bam. Same issue that you kind of had with the last hood. Like, where are the holes at, yo? There's no holes for the bolts. They're like fiberglassed over. Pull this plastic off right here and check all this. Oh yeah, you can see pinholes. Cracking along the edges. Oh yes, now. All down there, pinholes everywhere. I'm gonna send this back. Let's check them carbon fenders. All right, so here are the carbon fenders. The carbon fiber fenders look beautiful. These things look good. Yeah, these look hella good. I don't really see any imperfections in the carbon. No cracks, no splits or anything like that in the weave. To think, these fenders and this hood came from the same company, but the fenders look so much better. Tis. But yeah, front fenders look good. Let's check these rears. And these are the rears. Rears look good also.
Oh yeah.
Yep. Ooh, these look good.
Sure do.
Fenders look beautiful, but as you guys seen, the hood was shit. So I just texted a dude just now, and I'm probably gonna be exchanging this or returning it, getting a carbon fiber hood or something. But this hood is just super boof, dude. Unless Jesse wants to mess with it, but it's all cracked along here, and I ain't trying to have another situation where a hood explodes on me. So might just be better to just not use it. But yeah, tomorrow I'm about to be going to Jesse's, and we're about to be throwing the carbon fiber fenders and everything on. So tomorrow you guys will see these parts on the Vette. Now that's what I'm looking forward to. Hopefully my wheels will be done, or we'll have the tires that way we can get the wheels all mounted up. But hopefully, if not, then I'm gonna be out here with a huge spacer. Go ahead, you can close it. But yeah, that's I think that's it. And then Friday I'm supposed to be dropping the C6 off at Saks Speed Shop, and they're gonna be throwing the cam in. So maybe the next 2 weeks this car will be completely done and looking fantastic and on to being my new daily. But anywho, I'm about to call this a wrap today. Just went out there to get the stuff and show you guys, you know, the carbon fiber parts that are going on. I'll see y'all later. Deuces.
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady. Speed limit 65.